Cheers. Look at I got my favorite cup here. One of my favorite cups. This is not my favorite cup, but it's one of my favorite cups. My favorite cup is the clear coffee mug that my husband got me. One of the little things he got me for Christmas. All right, guys. They're acting crazy already. I just got back from the grocery store, so we're going to do a very quick little haul. Didn't get much, but I spent like $75. So I texted my husband an hour and a half ago, and I said, hey, I'm running to the store in a little bit. Do you need anything? I just got back from the store. I get a text from him. Come on, my phone is so slow. You want to get me the stuff to make my world famous buffalo dip. My lips got stuck there. Oh, sweet Jesus. I make a double recipe of it. So, guess what, honey? I just got back from the store. I think I should delete that. Oh, God. I'm dying. I'm dying inside. I really am. I just didn't get the whole word out. I just don't want it to be, you know. I don't want this video tagged. Let's scoot back. There's too much sandy going on. But anyway, I just got a few things. I spent $75, whatever, on this little bit. And that's crazy. Crazy, I tell you. Got a loaf of bread, just in case anybody wants a sandwich this weekend. It's Mother's Day weekend. I have to work all weekend. I'm just not very happy about that. However, I did go over to my mom's yesterday and spent most of the day with her. So I told her happy Mother's Day because I have to work this weekend. So I'm not sure if my kids have anything planned for me, but I'll be in the bed. I have got some recipes because I do work all weekend. I am going to, I'm prepping for food for the weekend. Stuff for me to take for lunch, stuff that's quick and easy for Olivia to, you know, pull out and microwave, whatever. So I am going to be doing a lot of cooking today, and if I feel like it and if I feel nice enough, I'm going to make some homemade ham and potato soup for work because the girls love that at work, and the girls and the guys, don't want to offend anybody, but they all love that at work. So I'm going to go ahead and throw some of that together because I will be going on days soon. And I like to cook for them, and you know, those are my peeps, I haven't done any recipe videos for you guys in a minute, so I'm going to do some today. That's what I'm doing with my food here. But first off, I think we need something sweet because we haven't had anything sweet in a while. So I'm going to do for you a no-bake orange creamsicle cheesecake. It's going to be phenomenal. So everything I got in my grocery haul today is the ingredients that I will be using for my recipes today. So I got this is what I got. A graham cracker pie crust. So like I said, we're going to do the creamsicle no bake cheesecake. You know, spring is here, summer's on the way. This is something that's going to be light, and it's going to complement any one of your backyard barbecues, or if you just want to make it just to be making it. Just to feel good about you day, I got you covered. We're also going to use some heavy whipping cream. I got that in my haul. Gotta have dog food in your cheesecake. I'm kidding. I mix this dog food with some dry. They get it once a day mixed with their dry dog food. Kind of like a big treat, their breakfast time. I got 3 cans of that. 3 different flavors. I got some petite diced tomatoes because I'm going to make a 1-pot chicken and rice type deal. That's going to be quick and easy. And I got a little bag of potatoes to make some potato soup. I got a gallon of milk that's in the refrigerator. I'm sorry about the lighting. It is what it is. I got me a little 6-pack of Pepsi. I don't drink very much pop, but when I do drink pop, I won't even drink a whole one of those at a city unless I'm eating Taco Bell. And something about Pepsi and Taco Bell is just perfect. But I'll drink a whole one then. And those are just like, those might be 8 ounces or so. It's not really that much pop. I got a lemon, an orange. I got an orange. Oh, he's gonna be salty. I don't even want to look at that text. I got a little bag of red potatoes because we're gonna do a quick throw together of steak and potatoes, meat and potatoes type deal. Let's see what he says. Let's see what he says. He's gonna be salty. He's gonna be salty. He says, I'll get it later. Yeah, good choice. Because I ain't getting back out. I got some instant potatoes because these are key components in my ham and potato soup, because this is what I like to use to thicken my potato soup with, because these are already flavored with the butter and they are delicious when you add them to your potato soup. I might vlog that potato soup today as well, if, like I said, if I make it. I got a lot of cooking to do. I got a 3-pack of chicken breast because, like I said, I'm going to do the like the 1-pot chicken and rice type deal. It's so good, girl. It's so good. I got some butter. I can't believe it's not butter, but it is. And then I got some cream cheese, 2 things of cream cheese to do your delicious no-bake creamsicle cheesecake. I had to think for a minute. And then I got 2 steaks. I might just use one of them because, like I said, this is going to be quick meals for Olivia to just pull out the microwave if she wants them. But we're just going to do this meat and like some red potatoes together, and it's delicious. It's delicious. And I got a little box of the orange Jello because that's gonna go in my cheesecake. That's it. That's it. I got a gallon of milk. But I'm gonna show you what else I got here. This is absolutely adorable. Because it's Mother's Day weekend, they had these at the store. I gotta wet my lips. Let me wet my lips just a minute. I gotta wet my lips, kids. I didn't get this for myself. I like to buy Olivia some like little things when I go out. When I see things that I think are Olivia, I'm like, I'm gonna get her that, I'm gonna get her that, I'm gonna get her that. But she likes to have little plants in her room. Look how pretty that is. And I got that one because look at the flowers that are like, it's like bicolored there. It's got different colors of the purple in it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think it screams Olivia. I think it screams her room, and I think it's gonna look fantastic in there because everyone that I get, little bit, our little kitty cat, decides to go in there and eat that, eat that. But this one, she's gonna have to keep high on a shelf. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Do you love it like I love it? This is a, it says just add ice orchids. Let me wet my lips again. I'm not really sure what's going on. Just add ice orchids. Now what it says to do is water with 1 ice cube once a week. That's all you do, and it's gonna look so cute in her room on her nice big bookshelf that's just loaded with lots of nice little things on there. It is so cute. I'll have to show you her little bookshelf if she'll let me. We'll have to do it when she's in school because she's like, no, Mother, you're not doing that. And I'll be like, watch me. I won't do that. I think that's all. That's all I got. I'm going to pop my chicken in the freezer because I want it to start to freeze a little bit because I'm going to slice the chicken breast in half because I'm going to cook them thinly. I don't want to cook them, you know, that thickness of them. I want them a little bit thinner than that. I'm probably only going to use 2 of them because that'll make like 4 servings, and that'll be enough for the weekend. The hubby's already said that he thinks he's going to go to White Castle and get him a crate of White Castles to eat this weekend. So I guess that means, you know, your girl here is going to be in the gas chamber. You know what I'm saying. But that's all right. If that's what he likes to do, let him do it. He works hard for a living, and let my love have his White Castles, you know. He can have them. I'm not crazy about them, but he can have them. So that's what's going on. Got a couple things to announce for today. It's gonna be a short little vlog. I filmed the day before yesterday. I made some, I wanted spaghetti and meatballs. I made those, and I kind of fluffed the video up. There's parts of it that's gone, there's parts of it that's there, so I might include just a couple little clips of that in this video here. It was just a vlog, it wasn't a recipe. I've already got that recipe to you, but I might do that. I don't know, we'll see. And a couple other important things. Now, my signature blend seasoning, that Hawaiian, aka Sandy one, I got that in the mail to her that same day on my way to work, so she should have that. Sandy Hawaiian, let me know if you have received that, because I would love to know if you've received it. And number 2, my Amazon winner, as far as I know, has not come forward yet. I will recheck my email today. And if she don't contact me within the next few days, guess what? You guys are in luck. We're going to redraw a name, because a giveaway is just that, a giveaway. And if the person doesn't come forward, then we're just going to pass it along to someone else. So that's going to give you another chance to win. So we'll see. Like I said, I'm going to recheck my email today and see if she has responded. And if she has not, then we're going to give her a couple more days, and then, you know, I hate to say it, but if you snooze, you lose. I mean, you know, a giveaway's a giveaway. And if, you know, if you don't respond to my giveaway, then we're just going to have to move on down and give to someone else. So, to my winner, please, please respond. I really want to do this for you. But if not, then, you know, it's definitely going to be to everyone else's benefit. So I'm going to end this video here because I think I've taken up enough of your time. Gotta get started on my recipes. So, you know, I love you guys more than life itself. And I thank you so much for subscribing. I thank you so much for watching. And share my videos. Make sure that you share them. And I appreciate you so very much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Take care.